Put it in there.
Woo! Let's do the other one.
You want to do another one?
What's up, kimchi lovers? Today, we're reminiscing about our trip to Japan and dreaming of finding good conveyor belt sushi. We had an awesome experience at Genki Sushi in Tokyo and haven't been as lucky finding something that compares here in the Windy City. But after a little searching, we noticed that Kura Sushi opened a location in nearby Skokie and we couldn't wait to give it a try.
I wonder if this is going to be like Genki.
That's what I'm hoping, bro.
I wonder if I know the prices aren't going to be like Genki, but I hope it's good.
How does this work without Nico touching and calling the server every 2 seconds?
So I guess you have two options. You can order off the tablet or just take it off of the line. Mm-hmm. So we're going to order from the tablet.
Nico's just like, what's going on? This one?
I want sushi.
Do you want sushi? Say thank you, robot.
Thank you, robot.
This is the world we're living in now.
Thank you, robot.
And how can you send it back? Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Nico. He's going.
Bye-bye, robot.
And I think our tuna items are like...
There you go.
Woo! My ordering arrived.
You got sushi.
Mommy got sushi. Oh, those are tweezers. Those are not tweezers, Nico. You're... No, you gotta keep them together.
Like this, and you go like this.
Papi's gonna show you.
Hold here. Hold. Put them here, and you go like this.
Just grab them like this.
I need to get sushi too.
Those are here.
Oh, look. Gotta make sure it's not too hot. Yeah, it's hot.
Oh, what?
There.
Would that make us the robot, Daddy?
Yeah, that one. I think I wouldn't mind the children's chopsticks. Fun. That's more my...
More your jam meat.
For sure. Put it in there. Yep, put it in there.
Woo! Let's do the other one.
You want to do another one?
Woo! Good job.
And then another one.
You know, I'm not a super fan of raw salmon.
Wow!
What's that?
It's crispy rice and tuna.
Oh, okay.
Spicy tuna. I'm not gonna eat the jalapenos, but. No? Still no?
Those are like sesame oil.
I like these better. They're more savory.
Take mine.
All right. I think I do prefer the other ones just because they're easier to eat.
It's so much fun. I miss this from Japan. spicy?
Nah, I'm
Shrimp?
good.
I already ate one. It's good. The rainbow set? They gave you a little blanket for the car.
How cool is that?
He's like, that's not cool, Daddy. These kids nowadays.
Yeah, they don't know how to appreciate nothing.
So I think this is like either like a picnic blanket or something, because it definitely looks kind of like a blanket, but Nico wants it, so I'm gonna give it to you, Nico. All right, so we just finished having lunch at Kura Sushi.
What's the blanket?
What's the blanket's name?
Snoopy.
Yeah, it's Peanuts cross Kura. Snoopy, yeah. So we just finished having lunch at Kura Sushi. It was like one of those rotary sushi places, right, where sushi comes out on a belt, and it has one of those trains for when you order sushi. So, like I mentioned, you can either grab it from the rotary style, right, the ones that are spinning around. You can grab the plates off of there, or there's a little tablet where you can order specific items as well, right? So
That's too much blanket.
I do enjoy when they have those two options, right? 'Cause
That's too much blanket.
maybe the ones that are on the rotary or the ones that you don't order, they're kind of popular, which happened to us. Like there were a few that we did want to try, but they were out, so we had to order them. And they have stuff for people that don't like seafood, like the ones that I chose, right? I had the beef ones, really good. They also have like chicken, so if you don't want to have beef, you can have chicken. And they have shrimp options, and they have some that it's not all raw fish, right? So you have some that are kind of like seared, some that are cooked. All right, so you do have those options available too. Now, the sushi dishes are around like $350, $360, $375. There are some that kind of like vary in prices. The appetizers, like the dumplings, they were $550. The drinks, I believe, were about $550. So not a bad experience overall. I really enjoyed it. Everything tasted really good. I didn't have any of the raw fish, so I don't know how fresh it was, but it was really good. And Nico enjoyed the dumplings. But yeah, if you're ever like in the Skokie area next to the mall, definitely stop there, the Kura Sushi, and have one of those authentic rotary sushi place experiences. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching until the end, and as always, we'll see you in the next one. Bye. If you're on the hunt for other Chicago food treasures, let us know in the comments down below. Take care, everybody.